Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of our service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Today we're going to be showing you how to clean the scanner glass on a Brother MFC-9340 printer. So if you've ever noticed that while you're printing anything from your computer to your printer, everything comes out perfectly fine, but as soon as you're going to make a copy or a scan of something, you notice that you're getting vertical lines down the page, or you're getting spots or blotches. More than likely that means that you're going to have something dirty on your scanner glass. So, depending on what feature you're using, if you're feeding paper through the document feeder on the top, or if you're just using the flatbed, there are two separate pieces of glass inside the scanner that need to be cleaned. So the best way to do that is a lint-free cloth and your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have any glass cleaner handy, rubbing alcohol actually works really well. But you don't need much. Always apply the cleaner to the cloth. Never apply the cleaner directly to the glass. It's too easy for that cleaner to seep underneath the glass and cause a lot more problems. But if you notice the problems happening when you're feeding through the document feeder, you're going to want to make sure you clean this little narrow strip of glass that's on the very left side of the printer. So once you have your cleaner on your rag, just go through them, and you're looking for any kind of spots where there might be some ink or whiteout or even just dust that's kind of accumulated. It doesn't take a whole lot, so just clean that really well. And then while we're here, we might as well look at the flatbed and see if we see any spots or anything. And give it a good wipe. And the cleaner all this glass is, the better all your copies and scans come out. So it's not a big deal to do both. But then just kind of look through, make sure you don't see any little black or white spots, any kind of smudges. After that, close it back up and try a couple test scans or copies. Make sure everything looks good. If you're still getting some faint lines or anything like that, just go ahead and start again through the beginning of the process. Just wipe it back down and it should get better and go away. But other than that, you should be back up and ready to print.